Welcome to another guided nature meditation. My name is Mara. I'm going to guide you for the next couple of minutes through a relaxing meditation. Right now, take some time to find yourself into a comfortable position, either sitting down or laying down. Release your shoulders. Let your hands rest lightly on your lap. Make sure that you're not going to be distracted in any way. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths in. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. One more deep breath in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. With that last breath, feel free to close your eyes. And let's start with a small body scan. I want you to picture a beam of light scanning down from the tip of your head, slowly all the way down to your toes. Notice if there's anything uncomfortable. Notice if you have any tension in your muscles. Release any tightness in your body. If you can't release the tightness, just let it go and move on. Try not to judge. Continue scanning down. If you find yourself distracted in your mind, that's okay. Just gently bring yourself back to your body, back to the scan. And now, I want you to picture in your mind a beautiful place. Picture yourself standing in this beautiful, beautiful nature. Maybe it's a forest. Maybe it's a beach. It could be anything that you like. And I want you to picture a path forming in front of you. A nice winding dirt path. I want you to picture yourself getting really curious as to where this path leads. You don't need to be anywhere else right now, but right here in this beautiful environment with this path laying out in front of you. I want you to picture yourself walking down this pathway, this winding pathway. And slowly but surely, as you round the corner, I want you to see a cabin. As you walk up to this cabin, I want you to notice the cabin, really look at it. Is the wood old? Is it new? Is it light or dark? I want you to walk up to the cabin knowing that nobody lives there. This is your cabin. And I want you to go up to it and run your hand along the wood, knowing that somebody took the time to stack each piece on top of each other and seal it. Feel yourself being full of gratitude for whoever built this cabin and put it here just for you. Now, I want you to walk around the cabin to a small porch, and I want you to take a seat in one of the chairs that have been laid out right on the porch for you. Notice that there is a fresh cup of tea or coffee or maybe hot chocolate sitting on the table, brewed just for you. So you sit down in this chair, relaxing into this beautiful area, picking up your cup and enjoying the warmth on your hands. Looking up and noticing where you are. Maybe you see birds. Maybe there's a deer grazing nearby. Everything feels so relaxed and safe. I want you to see yourself smiling, sinking down into this chair, enjoying the here and now. There's nothing else to worry about. I'm going to leave you here for a few more minutes, enjoying where you are sitting in this chair. Remember, if you find your mind wandering, that's okay. Just bring it back gently. Bring yourself back to the cabin. Remember, if you found yourself wandering off, gently bring yourself back. And at this point, I want you to picture yourself taking a deep breath in, smelling the lawn. If there's trees, smelling the trees. Enjoying the sun. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. At this point, you've finished your cup of a warm drink and you set your cup down on the table next to you. It's time to start letting yourself come back. So you get up from your chair, you walk down the porch, onto the earth, around the cabin, back to the pathway. Walk your pathway all the way back to where you started. I want you to close your eyes and slowly start feeling your toes in your body. Start wiggling your fingers, bring some movement back to your body. Start coming back to yourself. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and appreciate where you are, how you feel. Do you feel relaxed, safe, happy? Let yourself smile. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.